Hello everyone, welcome to the Needle Magic. Today we are going to make this beautiful little flower. I hope you like it. आज के tutorial में हम ये प्यारा सा flower बनाएंगे. So let's get started. I have used these two colors for the flower. मैंने ये दो colors use किए हैं. You can use any two colors of your choice. आप कोई भी अपने choice के दो colors use कर सकते हो. Let's start by making a slip knot first. सबसे पहले हम एक slip knot बनाएंगे. And now we need to chain 6. अब हम 6 chains बनाएंगे. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now we have to go into the first chain from the hook and make a slip knot. Make a slip stitch, sorry. So we'll go into the first chain from the hook and make a slip stitch. तो पहली वाली chain में जाएंगे और slip stitch करके इसे join कर देंगे. So we'll have a circle and we have to work in the circle now. अब हम इस circle में काम करेंगे. जो हमारे पास circle है अब हम यहाँ काम करेंगे. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now we have to make 3 double crochet stitches in this space that we have. तो ये जो space है यहाँ पे हमें 3 double crochet stitches करने हैं. Yarn over, go in, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops on your needle. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And I'm working over the yarn tail so that it gets weaved in and I don't have to weave in at the end. 1 more double crochet stitch in the circle. Another double crochet stitch in the circle. So we have made 3 double crochet stitches. Now chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and slip stitch in the space here. तो यहाँ पे हम slip stitch कर रहे हैं. तो इस तरीके से हमारी एक petal बन के ready हो गई है. So 1 petal is ready. We need to repeat this until we have a total of 5 petals. So जब तक हमारे पास 5 petals नहीं हो जाती हमें ये repeat करना है. So chain 3, 1, 2, 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2, and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2, 3 and slip stitch in the space. So 2 petals done. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. Again we need to repeat the process and you can just pull the petals so that you have space to work. 3 double crochet stitches, 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3 and slip stitch in the space. इसी तरीके से आपने जब तक आपके पास 5 पेटल्स नहीं हो जाती आपने ये प्रोसेस रिपीट करना है. सेम पैटर्न रिपीट होगा सारी पेटल्स के लिए और आप इसे पुल कर सकते हैं तो आपके पास यहाँ पे स्पेस हो जाएगी काम करने के लिए. चेन 3 अगेन, 3 डबल क्रोशे स्टिचेस, 1, 2, 3, chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and slip stitch in the space. हमारे पास 4 पेटल्स हो गई हैं. एक लास्ट हमने बनानी है. सो वी नीड टू मेक आवर लास्ट पेटल नाउ. सो विल रिपीट द पैटर्न. चेन 3, 1, 2 and 3 डबल क्रोशे स्टिचेस, 1, 2 and 3. Chain 3, 1, 2 and 3 and we have to slip stitch in the space. इस स्पेस में हम स्लिप स्टिच कर देंगे. Now all our petals are done. We had to make a total of 5 petals. 5 petals are done. Now we'll chain 1 and fasten off. तो जब हमारी 5 petals बन के रेडी हो जाएंगी तो हमने chain 1 करके fasten off कर देना है. इसको टाइट कर लेंगे. And here you can see 5 petals are done. Now I'm going to take my second color. अब मैं second color लूँगी और हमारा जो second round है वो उससे करेंगे हम नए कलर से. So I'm going to take this. Now I've taken the second color. मैंने दूसरा कलर ले लिया है. And now I'll make a slip knot first. And we'll add it to the place where we फिनिश्ड द फर्स्ट राउंड. तो जहाँ हमने फर्स्ट राउंड फिनिश किया था ना, स्लिप स्टिच करके यहाँ पे ज्वाइन किया था, वहीं पर हम इसे ऐड करेंगे. सो आई एम गोइंग इनटू द सर्कल and adding my new color and chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, and now we need to work in these spaces between the stitches. तो ये जो stitches के बीच में spaces है ना, अब हमें यहाँ काम करना है. So we'll work a half double crochet stitch in the first space that we have here between the chain 3 and the stitch over here. So yarn over, go in, yarn over, pull up a loop. You'll have 3 loops. Yarn over and pull through all the 3. So here we have done a half double crochet stitch. Now in between the next 2 stitches again we need to do a half double crochet stitch. फिर से next 2 stitches के बीच में हम कर रहे हैं half double crochet stitch. In the next 2 again we need to make a half double crochet stitch. 1 half double crochet stitch in the next space, that is between the chain 3 and the stitch. Then chain 3, 1, 2 and 3. And slip stitch in the circle. तो यहाँ पे circle में हम slip stitch कर देंगे. So go in and slip stitch. Then chain 3 again, 1, 2 and 3. I need to repeat this pattern for all the petals. ये pattern हम सारे petals के लिए repeat करेंगे. So 1 half double crochet stitch between the chain 3 and the stitch. 1 half double crochet stitch in between the next 2 stitches. 1 half double crochet stitch between the next 2 stitches. 1 half double crochet stitch between the stitch and the chain 3 that we have. Then chain 3, slip stitch in the circle. Then chain 3 again, 1, 2, 3, half double crochet stitch in between the chain 3 and the stitch over here. I'm so sorry about the noise, there's some construction going on. 1 half double crochet stitch in between the next 2. 1 half double crochet stitch between the next 2 stitches. 1 half double crochet stitch between the next 2. Chain 3 and slip stitch, and you have to repeat this for all the petals. Then again chain 3, 1, 2 and 3, half double crochet stitch in between the space here. 1 half double crochet stitch into the next, between the next 2 stitches. 1 half double crochet stitch between the next 2 stitches. 1 half double crochet stitch between the next stitch and the chain 3. Chain 3 again and slip stitch in the center. Then again chain 3, 1, 2, 3. 1 half double crochet stitch in the space here between the chain 3 and the stitch. 1 half double crochet stitch in between the next 2 stitches. 1 half double crochet stitch between the next 2 stitches. 1 half double crochet stitch between the stitch and the chain 3. And here we have completed all our petals. We'll chain 3 and we'll slip stitch in the center. And now chain 1 and fasten off. Just tighten it up a bit, and you can see the flower is ready. And now at the back side we have these yarn tails. Either you can weave in using a tapestry needle, or you can just tie a couple of knots and cut the extra yarn too. What I'll do is I'll just make a couple of knots here and then I'll cut the extra yarn. तो आप इसको टेपेस्ट्री नीडल से वीवन भी कर सकते हैं, नहीं तो एक दो नॉट्स बांध के एक्स्ट्रा यार्न को कट भी कर सकते हैं, जैसे कि मैं कर रही हूँ. So I'll just make couple of knots using both the yarn tails and then I'll cut the extra yarn from here. and here we can just straighten the petals. Just push it outwards from back so that it gets the shape. तो इसको पीछे की तरफ से हमने आगे की तरफ पुश करना है ताकि ये प्रॉपर शेप में आ जाए इस तरीके से. And you can see our beautiful flower is ready. It's better if you use one bright color and one little bit dull. So the outer color should be bright, then you'll have this kind of an effect. I hope you liked the tutorial. Thank you so much for watching. Keep crocheting, stay safe, be happy. Bye bye.